Every single year, there is one product that continually sells every single Christmas. Ever since I started way back in 2013, these products have sold thousands upon thousands every single year. And they sell for both beginners who are just getting new stores set up and for veterans alike. And there's a product for you in your specific niche that is going to help you succeed. Or there's also the opportunity for you to just take all of these designs on this one particular product, load them into your store, and start running traffic. The opportunity is absolutely insane. And before long, we will be in the period of time when people pull out their wallets and just buy insatiably. And the good thing about the ones that I'm about to share with you is oftentimes they're buying multiple products in one transaction. Now, the beauty of the company that I'm about to share with you too is they've pre-made all these designs for you, so you don't even have to design the products. They're ready-made, ready for you to just publish to your store and get that traffic. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get them into your store and how you can start running traffic now to make sure that you clean up with those sales. Now, before we get into it, I have a couple of free gifts for you. I have a free 1,000 plus niche list guide and a free training. And both of those you can get from the link in the description below. So go and check that out. Let's get into it. So firstly, the company we're going to use for this is Subliminator. They're absolutely amazing. They've got really good top quality products that are cut and sewn on demand. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that on our Shopify store that we actually add the app. So coming into my dummy store here, what you're going to do is go to apps. And if it's not in your installed apps, you just type it in up here. And if it's not there, then you're going to go over into the App Store. So from there, obviously, you just go through the installation process. And then once you've got it, we want to click into it. Awesome. So next up, what we need to do is add our shop to Subliminator if it's not in here. If you've got Etsy, they now integrate as well, which is really, really cool. You could risk putting these products across there. But given that they're not custom made, you didn't design them, they're really against Etsy's policies, but will they know? Will they know if you put them up there? You just run the risk of losing your account pretty quick. And, you know, if you ever have intention of creating an Etsy store over there and want to make some income from it, it's probably not a good idea. Otherwise, what you want to do is just add your Shopify shop, and then it's going to pull that in. So every time that you upload products into Subliminator, you're going to be able to see your products there. So coming back to our main dashboard, you're probably wondering, Ronnie, just get to it. What is the product that we are going to be selling? Well, glad you asked. We have these ugly Christmas sweaters. These things every single year, ever since I ever started doing print on demand way back in 2013, these things sold like hotcakes. So straight away, get in here, seize the opportunity, and just start running them. So all you got to do, publish it to your store. Publish, choose your store you want to send it to, select a description in here. And the way you can do that is just use ChatGPT based on the information that Subliminator gives you. So if we come back here, so that sweater is going to be like one of these others in here. So if we just find another similar product, or we can just search for it. There we go. We've got our sweatshirt there. So we can come in here. Now we grab this. Awesome. Okay, so ChatGPT, please rewrite this sweatshirt description, putting emphasis on it being an ugly Christmas sweater that will stand out. Cool. Make a statement this holiday season with the ugliest Christmas sweater that's shorter turn heads. This unisex, blah, blah, blah. Fantastic. Much better than what I would have come up with. You can build it out further from there if you want. But effectively what you're going to do is once you've chosen the product to upload, so we go back here, choose it, tremendously over it. Cool. Publish. Select your store. You can categorize them too to make sure they go into the different niches, particularly if you are more focused on doing a store that's focused on all of the ugly Christmas sweaters. It's a great idea. Otherwise, if it's just niche based, you may just have the one product collection, which is ugly Christmas sweaters. The next step is pricing. We want to set this, so their price, including shipping, is $24. So even if you're selling them for $49.99, pretty decent sort of clip on that. $25. You'll charge shipping on that as well. So minimum profit, max profit's $26. So what you want to do is focus on the USA as your target market, and you'll be fine there. Yes, I am sure. Cool. Now you can go through and do that to all of them, or you can get a VA to help you out as well. But there is a lot of really, really cool designs in here. And I suggest you go through, start with the ones that you think, if they make you laugh, chances are they'll make somebody else laugh as well. Pathetic Human, obviously straight towards cat owners. Santa's Favorite Hoe, that's more adult humor type stuff. Admit it, you want to hold my winner. The targeting, speaks for itself. Working at the pole, that's hilarious. Look, these are fantastic. Marijuana, Christmas, I'm not sure if you'd get away with that. Meowie Christmas. There's pages and pages and pages of this stuff. Trump, obviously, that's one that you've got to be a certain frame of mind to be able to sell. Certain kind of affiliation to a certain party. But hey, where there's heightened passion, there's heightened sales. So we'll go through there, choose the ones you want, but they've got ones for golf, they've got for bikers, pets, as you can see, there's a lot in here. So just go through and select them all. Start with one, you can load them all up, get them in there as well. So what I want to do now is show you that it's now on my shop. I'm just going to search for it on my store here. Are you serious about print on demand? If you are, and if you'd love to create a $5,000 to $10,000 plus per month print on demand business, then I'd love to introduce you to the Products Accelerator, my coaching program for print on demand. In there, I'm teaching you how to start, grow, and scale your print on demand business in as little time as possible. Now, if you'd like to check it out, click the first link in the description below, watch the free training, and apply to book a call with my team and I, and I'll have a chat to you over there. Can't wait. Great looking mock-ups too, which is fantastic. Look at that, straight away. Like there's barely any work that you need to do here. It's got your size charts in here. You literally come in here, grab the images you want for your ads, and you may want to grab a few because it's good to have 2 to 3 ads in it. We'll grab 2 more. So 2 more. Good to grab the people. Fantastic. Now we can go over and start running ads to this. So let's get over and get that done. Now, if you've got ad budget, you might want to just go straight to running a sales campaign for each of them. If you don't, then another method that you can use is the bottle rocket testing method. And this is what I teach my students inside the Product Accelerator. So you come in here, you go for engagement, continue, manual engagement, campaign. All right, BR. Cool. You can see I've already created one in another video. Awesome. Next, give it a naming convention. Start at 1. So we want to have the engagement on our ad. We want post engagement, maximize engagement with our post. Fantastic. And we want to spend $2.50 to $3 Australian. So we're going to start that the next day at 12 a.m. and we're going to let it run for 24 hours. So we'll let that finish. Fantastic. You might need to put 12:01 in there for it to actually allow you to do it. Cool. It wants to run for at least 24 hours. You make sure your location is set to where you want to actually sell the product. United States. Cool. We're going to use Advantage Plus Audience to control that. And then we're going to go into the actual ad. 0001, tremendously. Cool. Select your page. Giftopia. Awesome. Okay, so this is a new ad account that I've got here. It's completely different to another one that I've got. So what we want to do is add an image ad. We want the call to action to be shop now. You don't necessarily need to have it on this test, but it is good. Hilarious, ugly Christmas sweater drop now out. Get 2. You mark them up to $55 and go 2 for $100. Get 2 for for $100 for a limited time. We'll put an emoji up here. Santa. Cool. Come on, Santa. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love Christmas? Cool. Happy with that. We've added that destination. We go next. Now we need to upload that image. All right, and that is ready to go. Check these website URL. We want to make sure that we are sending it to the right place. So we want that destination to be in there. So there we want to make sure we're selecting the right pixel. So in this case, it's the Giftopia one, and we're good to go. So what you do now is just publish that. So within 24 hours, if you have validated that it's a good design, you're getting cost per engagement, which is less than 5 cents. The closer to 1 cent, the better. That's validated. That's telling you that you're good to go on to phase 2, which is the R8 campaign or the R6, whatever, however many ad sets you want to put into that. So I'll show you how to set that up now. So given that we've run this for 24 hours, it's come back, the cost per engagement is 3 cents. We want to move on to phase 2. Now, if you're looking for step-by-step guides and helping you get all this set up, then you're more than welcome to check out the Podex Accelerator, which is my coaching program for print on demand. In there, I'll be able to guide you and answer any questions you might have. Let's go. So we want to create not an engagement campaign. We want to go sales, manual sales campaign, tremendously, call it R6. I'll put the R6 over here. That just gives you an idea of what the setup is, because it is an ABO, which is an ad set budget optimization, not a campaign budget optimization. Cool. Copy that. Ad set 1. Awesome. So we want the conversion location to be on the website. We want to get purchases. We want to choose the right pixel. We want to get purchases. Always purchases. Fantastic. And we want to set this to $5 per day. Cool. We want to change the location here to state. Awesome. This first one, I'm just going to leave open. So we're just going to give Facebook a few different options in terms of who we want to be targeting. So add 1, go through, set the creative up again. This is new. They're always changing how the ads are created. So it looks, yeah, cool. Next, just going to take that, what we just wrote before. 2 for $100 for a limited time. A Christmas tree. Yeah, baby. Put some stars. Designed by legends. For legends. Cool. Next, add the media. We'll take that one first. What I'd typically do is take the actual ad from that engagement campaign to be used in here and maintain the social proof on there with people liking it, commenting on it, sharing it, that kind of thing. It always helps. So using that as your main campaign driver, main ad creative, it'll help you as well. Awesome. So coming down, want to grab that link again in there. Cool. Now we're good to go. All right, so now we just duplicate this 4 times. So we're going to do 5. No, I'll do 6 in this one. Add 2. I'm going to target Christmas specifically if it lets us. Again, Facebook's always removing interests and all sorts of stuff. Audience suggestion. Reindeer games. I want something in the millions. Christmas shopping. It won't let you target the actual holiday. How silly. We'll just do that Christmas tree shops. That'll do because, it's a really relevant kind of design for that. So makes sense. Take that. There we go. I might do that on the second one or the third one as well. That's at 3. We target the same thing. Really? Christmas tree shops. Cool. Awesome. And now with the rest of them, I'm just going to choose random different ideas, what I think could have an opportunity to sell. Just putting it in front of a different audience. So what's a good Christmas movie? Vacation Christmas? Santa? Is it a sad old day that they're not letting you target a specific holiday like Santa Claus? Particular interest like Santa Claus. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is the woke folk, I think. Reindeer? See what that brings up. Yeah, there we go. They're Christmassy, aren't they? The last one I'm going to do eggnog because that seems to be a Christmas drink. I'd set 6. No. Oh my goodness. Reindeer, what's another good one? What is a really good Christmas interest? Santa Claus, not there. What? Jingle bells? Carols? Wow. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put reindeer again. That's probably the best and biggest. So I'm going to use that. Cool. So that's all we need to do. Now you're ready to run your ads. Publish, and that's it. Now get in there, get after it, because just